In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change a phone number in the Meta Business Suite app. Whether you're refining your business's contact details or updating your personal information, maintaining accurate phone numbers is crucial for seamless communication. Let's dive right into the process and walk through each step together. First, open up the Meta Business Suite app on your device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Business Portfolio info. This section is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of all the essential details related to your business profile. It serves as the central hub for managing information, ensuring everything is up to date and accurate. From there, you'll want to navigate to Business Details. Think of this as the heart of your business information, where key contact details are stored and managed. Within this section, find the My Info area. This specific spot is where your current contact data is housed. If you need to make changes to your phone number, this is the right section to tap into. Once you're in My Info, look for the Edit option. Clicking on Edit will allow you to update your contact information. Whether you're adding a new phone number or adjusting an existing one, this is where you'll do it. Remember, keeping your contact information current is vital, as it ensures your business can maintain seamless communication with clients and customers. If you're working with specific legal entities and need to make updates to their contact information, there's a tailored path for that as well. Head over to the Billing and Payments section. This area is crucial for managing and verifying all transaction processes and details tied to legal entities associated with your business. Within Billing and Payments, navigate to Legal Entities. Here you will find a list of all the legal entities associated with your business accounts. Select the particular entity whose contact information you wish to update. After selecting the desired entity, you will land on a page detailing its specific info. Look for the Contacts tab. This is your go-to area for all contact-related details for that legal entity. Once you're in, locate the Edit button next to the contact you wish to change. Clicking on this will open up the fields you can modify, allowing you to add or update the phone number as needed. It's a simple yet crucial process to maintain impeccable business communication. Ensuring your contact details are always accurate helps avoid any potential communication lapses. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to review your information regularly so everything is current and aligned with your business's communication needs.